Ever wondered how AI gets smarter without snooping through your private photos or messages? Or how massive models like chatbots could run on your phone instead of server farms? Today, we're diving into FedNano, a breakthrough that's making AI training faster, safer, and more efficient. Let's unpack it. Here's the challenge. AI models are massive, like libraries with billions of books. Training them usually requires gathering all that data in one place, which is a privacy disaster and a logistical nightmare. But what if devices, your phone, a hospital's scanner, even your fridge, could help train AI without sharing their data? That's where federated learning steps in. It's like a team sport. Each device trains a local model, then sends tiny updates to a central server. But even these updates can be too big for devices with limited power or internet. Enter FedNano. Imagine a system where the heavy lifting stays on a powerful server, while your device gets a lightweight assistant called a NanoAdapter. This helper doesn't need to understand the whole AI. It just makes smart, tiny tweaks using low-rank adaptations, which are math shortcuts that simplify complex changes. Think of it as a chef adjusting seasoning, instead of rewriting the entire recipe. Here's the magic. The server starts with a full AI model, and each device gets a NanoAdapter tailored to its data. If your phone analyzes photos, the adapter focuses on visual patterns. If a hospital scanner processes X-rays, its adapter learns medical imaging quirks. These adapters send super small updates back to the server, which uses the Fisher Information Matrix, FIM, to prioritize the most impactful changes. It's like a teacher grading assignments and focusing on the ones that show the most growth. The results? FedNano slashes communication costs by 95% while keeping data private. In tests, it outperformed older methods even when devices had wildly different data, like one seeing cat videos and another only dog photos. And because NanoAdapters are so lightweight, they work on devices as simple as a smartwatch. But FedNano isn't just about speed, it's about flexibility. It handles messy, real-world data better than traditional methods, making it perfect for healthcare, smart homes, or self-driving cars. Picture this. Your phone helps train AI to recognize skin conditions without ever seeing your photos, or factory sensors collaborate to predict equipment failures without sharing trade secrets. The takeaway: FedNano proves privacy and power can coexist. By splitting work between servers and devices, it's paving the way for AI that's not just smart, but smart about your data. Thanks for watching. If you want to see how FedNano's math actually works, hit that subscribe button. Stay curious, and we'll tackle the next big AI mystery soon. Because the future isn't just about powerful AI, it's about how we build it.